Hey fam, welcome back to another video. Today is March 31st. Yes, and we are headed to the beach.
Ready?
Yep.
First time here in the ocean. Scared. It's like a...
Guys, I think I got just a tad bit sunburnt. You can't really tell, but it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, guys. Look at that. That's terrible. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower. So I just took a shower and I don't know why, but I always get sick when I have Dairy Queen, so I'm not feeling very well, which that's not smart on my point. So from now on, I'm not gonna eat Dairy Queen. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to bed early tonight because of it, so I'm gonna end today's video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you, fam. Bye.